This is the main lobster boat. It's one of Bluejacket's more popular kits. Let's go take a look at what the kit contents are. Hi, my name is Nick and I'm the owner of Bluejacket Ship Crafters. Let's take a look inside the kit of the main lobster boat. First of all, of course, we have plans. As you can see. Then we have our instruction manual, which includes photographs as well as all the steps it takes to complete the lobster boat, and diagrams. We have laser cut bulkhead pieces. We also have laser cut cradle pieces. Here's the keel. Here's the cockpit, windows, decking, side windows, and the subdecks. There's also ample wood for planking the sides of the hull, dowel to complete the cradle. There are wood blocks that you will shape at the bow. We include 2 lobster traps as part of the kit, clear acetate windshield. There is some brass tubing, and there is a fittings package that has rigging thread, anchor, cleats, propeller, cleats, anchor, steering wheel, and the other pieces needed to finish the kit. And that's the main lobster boat, a fun model project from Bluejacket. Thank you.